Set back off of South Road in East Greenwich, a picturesque drive carries you to this sprawling colonial situated on almost 3 acres of sweeping land. The home's beautiful open floor plan is brimming with natural light that gleams off the hardwood floors. The entry foyer opens to a spacious living room with a lovely fireplace and a formal dining room with floor-to-ceiling windows. Both offer plenty of light and warmth to create an ideal atmosphere for all occasions. The eat-in kitchen has been recently updated and features stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and flows wonderfully into the bright breakfast area set by a bay window. Completing the first floor is a spacious family room with a fireplace, lavette, and a generous skylit mudroom with high ceilings, laundry, and access to the 3-car garage. At the top of the stairs is an open office area overlooking the picturesque front yard. This home has 4 generous bedrooms, including the master bedroom with a beautiful new ensuite bath. The 3 additional bedrooms share a full bath with a dual sink vanity. Atrium doors in the family room lead out to a gazebo, while a second outdoor area can be accessed by sliding doors in the mudroom. From both of these settings, you can look out over the serene surrounding landscape. The 3-stall barn with a tack and grain room and a hayloft is in excellent condition and offers 2 adjacent fenced grass pastures. It is the perfect arrangement for 2 or 3 horses, or as a woodworking shop, pottery or artist studio, or equipment storage. This private and tranquil property is minutes from downtown East Greenwich, which is a scenic village with many popular boutiques and restaurants. This home is also close to many schools in the town's top-ranked school system. The beautiful South County beaches, numerous golf courses, and the University of Rhode Island are all less than 25 minutes away, as are the cultural opportunities in Newport and Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Denise D'Amico at area code 401-497-9413.